Friends at Stan Copeland, I don't know if I've ever videoed driving into the farm as I am right now. The side on the left where the fence is going up is my side, and side to the right is Mom and Dad's. I have about 60 acres and they have about 60 acres, and we adjoin. I'm real proud of this new fence. We're having to put this up to keep the hogs at bay. We have quite a few feral hogs, and I hope one day to have some pasture domestic pigs, but that's another day. I'm taking you down to the garden where I've been the last few days, mostly on Fridays, sometimes on Saturdays, but I've been working pretty hard. So I'm going to have a quick walk through the garden because today I started planting quite a few things. We had planted some potatoes prior to today, but that was all. And these beds that you see here on the left are called Homeplace beds. And that's a German name for a raised bed that has layers to it, and the layers have to do with first wood that's rotting, and then topsoil, and then leaves, and then chicken litter. You know what that is. And after the chicken litter, some more topsoil, and then mushroom compost. This area is going to be where I'm going to have some more raised beds. There'll be 3 beds to each of these areas that you see in black here today. But I'm going to take you a walk through the garden. Planted eggplant today. These are fingerling eggplants that are really, really nice. Planted squash today. This is straight neck squash. This is zucchini. This is where our potatoes have been planted. And these are some sweet banana peppers that I'm pretty proud of. But here's what I planted for my granddaughters. They love blueberries. And I've got blueberries going this way and blueberries going this way. And I've got blackberries. And down at the end of the row, I've got 2 pomegranate bushes. Now my great-grandmother, Mama Hacy, she loved her pomegranate bushes. And I planted those today and thought about her. But let me tell you who I really thought about. Tomorrow would be my father-in-law's birthday. And oh, I love my father-in-law, Dale Barnes. And he loved farming too. And he would be so excited about this farm, or this little garden. These are pepper plants. I've got jalapenos planted here. And then I have the cayenne peppers planted here. Now, I planted them as far away from the banana peppers as I possibly could, because if you plant them too close, your banana peppers will be hot. And I don't want that. Here are 2 fig trees I planted today. There's one, and there's the other. So it's been quite a day in the garden, and I'm nearly through with the hugelkultur beds. I've got 2 more here on the end to finish up. One's about half finished, and then I'll be done. But today was a great day, and I've thought a lot about my father-in-law, Dale Barnes. Thanks for watching, and you can subscribe to this YouTube channel, Picklin' Parson.